The Presiding Officer for the National Assembly for Wales, Rosemary Butler AM, is touring the 5 regions of Wales to encourage people to get involved with the work of the Assembly and to listen to their views. The tour began at Ysgol Glan Clwyd in Denbighshire, where she met school council members from across the region, including ones from Rhyl High, Prestatyn High and Blessed Edward Jones. All had a chance to grill the presiding officer about how the Assembly's work affects them and to suggest ways Assembly members can better engage with and involve young people in their work.
I think it was really nice to get to know them. Like, we hear so much about them. Now we finally know a bit more about what they do and met two of them.
I like how interested she was about what we all did and how we got into it as well.
The young people are the future of the nation, and if we can bring them up early on, looking at democratic processes, how decisions are made, how their voice can be heard, it can make such a difference to the quality of their own lives and the quality of the lives of the schools they're in. And this morning has been amazing.
I thought meeting the presiding officers today was useful because we got some knowledge on what they actually were and what they did to help us and what our role is, because I'm sure quite a few people here didn't actually know what the actual role of council members of the school was, but I think it's given us a knowledge now and we can go back to school and try and help the school with some issues.
They went through everything this morning, really interesting, mainly conditions that they're working in school, how they can make schools more equal, to make sure that all the children in the school, their voices are heard. And that was quite interesting, and then they were able to get out of the school environment and see how perhaps they can influence what's happening in the local community.
It's a good way, the best of getting the Assembly out, rather than just in Cardiff.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.